of assets from those named entities to other groups in an effort to protect it from being used to satisfy the impending judgments that are coming down against him in connection with these cases. That was smart. So, in a piece of fantastic work,
They got it. I wouldn't have done that. It's forcing it quite a bit. Fuck off, bird. Why? Go.
I beat up my son, and I left him in his parking lot, and I'm just going to get a real quick piece of cheesecake there and a vegan Cobb salad, and then I'm going to head home. Well, but then, I was going to say, also, the daughter saw it. Right, we're going to
Green light, stupid.
The daughter wouldn't feed his eye earlier, and clearly had guilty knowledge. She saw it. That can't baked like a baby in a car. And it was complicated. We'd have to get like the car manual out to figure out like, okay, can this seat go down here? Like maybe this one can, to find the room. There was never enough room to stretch out.
Red light, what's that?
I'm like, okay, what if we'll do it with the trunk and the back?
Their sexual lives. So I think, and often those messages, not always, but often they're also done by married people and captions.
Careful. Couldn't have waited for that one car.
Despair and the discouragement. And women react to this in very different ways. So this is a key juncture.
In a segment that we call, I guess, God-awful pamphlets. So, okay, first you gotta picture the artwork on this pamphlet. It's got Noah and the
oh my God.
It's got all his little animal buddies and his little ark. Everybody's smiling ear to ear as they float over the countless corpses of their...
Stop sign. How is it so hard? Big octangular red sign that's on all four sides.
We're back to the breakdown, and we're going to open up at a hospital, desperately trying to convince.
Why are you stopped here?
Normal hospital.
Why are you stopped here?
It's as though
because I do whatever I want. I'm a bad boy.
Only one of you can properly pantomime hospital, and each person. Oh, yeah. You could tell I'm saying those beeps. No, I wouldn't do that. That doesn't make sense. Are you holding the chart in front of your face so I don't see you making the beep noise?
Says no parking, asshole.
So, yeah, so into this very hospital.
You could park right here.
Who is
right here.
The star of this show, but this show is really so there's no like.
What are you doing?
Is the way, like we got other Republicans.
This is a terrible spot to park.
Republican judges they can push through when they
have
power.
Hello.
Like if you're not giving them the cover they need, we want to defend this shit.
Good foreboding for how the rest of the day is gonna go.
Why did the ABA unanimously say he's not
The opinions and information provided on this podcast are intended.
And Jessica has announcements.
Announcements. Hey, is that what your high school did or just mine?
No, just
Oh, okay. So this coming Tuesday, if you're in the Missoula, Montana area, I will be there at the Iron Horse Bar at 6 p.m. on February 1st. We're gonna have a small meetup where it's like
Great driving.
me, my husband, and like 3 people.
other podcasts go on tours to like arenas.
Arenas feels like a lot, but like Chicago theater for sure. Yeah, no, I do just like private appearances for $0, and then
Same
really
thing.
enjoy it because
It works.
Possible I just don't know that that's necessary.
Yeah, I agree. And I'm also really happy you said the thing, Tom, earlier. I was going to say this about the text thing.
Yeah.
Is that so much more comfortable? Like we didn't
Excuse
have
you.
the equivalent of that. Like,
Put the phone away.
but like being able to not face to face, like have to talk to your parents about it, look into their eyes and ask them about butt plugs or something. Being able to just be able to like text and be like, what's this? And then like I get it, it's still uncomfortable. And I agree with you, Tom, that it's not all because of Christianity or some shit, but like there's some level
I called to a show I was hosting and was talking about how his house was burned down in a wildfire up in the Pacific Northwest. I think he was in Colorado. It doesn't matter. Anyway, but there were charitable groups coming out to help, and sort of through the luck of the draw, he ended up with people from a ministry who insisted on proselytizing when what he needed was help with going through his home at the time.
Exactly
So
why
it's
you
an
don't
interesting
double
thing that
park.
often the charity work that's done by the faithful is sort of it's contingent upon people being willing to hear some sort of religious pitch. So which is pretty rough. So.
Oh, why do you think your house burned down? Did you behave?
They were trying to get out.
Oh, if we could do something.
Anyway,
Michael.
I cut you loose, but thank you for what you do.
Nice turn signal. Why would we need that?
Seriously, I don't know if you've been out, but it fucking feels like fucking April or May of 2020.
I bought one maybe 9
What are you
days ago.
doing?
I bought 2 sets of tests. I bought 4 total tests.
What are you doing?
With one piece in each. And so I bought two rounds for my family, which is my wife and myself. And I bought it like maybe 9 days ago.
Really? Wow, that is a great place to stop. Good job. Blocking traffic on both sides. You could have pulled over right here. Literally. So difficult. Wrong way, idiot! What do those arrows on the ground mean? I wonder.
And then you need leather bound chairs. And you need that 100% leather bound.
I want a den that looks
Human
like
leather.
a fucking choke. Like, that's what I want. I want a den. Human leather. I want a den that looks like an English lord got stabbed in it. I'm trying to find out who.
Oh, that sounds funny. You gotta have the candlesticks leather.
Oh, absolutely. I want a bit of blood on it. A rifle. I'm a candelabras.
There's a type for no reason.
I'm living in the set of gloom. Fuck off.
Alright, so this lady's gonna talk to Alex Jones.
Resulted in President Biden taking action with respect to the postal board. It's things can take a while to unfold, but
Yeah, but in that he was saying we can't, we have to hold these people accountable. We have to, and that's why they're always like, how about these people?
Yep, I know. That was a fantastic, great moment, and
That was tight.
Continue.
Yep, this is incredibly safe. That looks incredibly safe. Wow. So many dumb ways to die. Dumb ways to die. You're really fucking stupid. So many dumb ways to die.
Don't let this happen to you.
Wow, that is such a smart place to cross. Sidewalk's over there. Ooh, parking enforcement. Oh my god. Yeah, let's play in traffic. That sounds fun, right?
He challenged the preacher to explain Genesis 6:4, where in the Bible claims there used to be giants.
Oh my god.
Yeah, right? So here's the passage from the King James Version. Quote, there were giants in the earth.
What the fuck are you doing?
When the sons of God came in unto the daughters of men, and they bore children to
Crazy
them,
people.
the same became mighty men which were of old, men of renown. End quote. And if we're just doing free-form service here,
And
Pastor,
a priest with other
after
lights
the
on.
Giants, can you do the story about the girl who loved?
I didn't even see them until they were already beside me.
Do getting pyro. Do getting pyro.
Legislation, particularly watching the composition of the Supreme Court drift further and further to the right, or I shouldn't say drift. We use that. I mean, watching it be loaded onto a rocket and accelerated to the right. But so states did that, and if you add all of that
Holy
together,
shit. They're already passed.
23 states that have either pre-existing laws or a springing.
Wow. Literally just ran right in front of that scooter. Use your eyes. Not your light, dumb fuck. Run, run, run! Not your light, though.
Spank you, Greenwall. Spank you very much.
She was looking that way the whole time. She wasn't even tuning. Well, fucking go, dumbass! Fuck you! He almost hit us! Watch out! What the hell?
Wait a minute!
What you go after on there.
Oh my god.
We got a message from Brad, and Brad says that you can do large Hadron Collider visits, and they can sign up for tours 14 days before you go, and they fill up fast, and then I would set my
Well, now that seems intentionally misleading.
fucking watch for that. To figure out 14 days before I was there to see if I could. That'd be great to go there. Whoa. Get there. Watch out! Watch out! They had the right of way. I don't know why they stopped for them. She's like, oh shit. Oh shit, that's oh, that's fantastic. Oh my god. We have, oh, and it was on emergency too. That's already saved.